So Jimmy Fallon released his new book, More Sleeps Til Christmas, and he posted on his Instagram story that he was signing some copies for Barnes & Noble's Black Friday signed editions event, which they, again, put on their Instagram story. So I went into my Barnes & Noble on the Black Friday morning to see if I could find one, and sure enough, there was one there, and I picked it up, but I noticed when I opened it that it was all upside down. So I bought it, I took it home, and I figured, well, the inside must just be backwards. So I flipped it and put it back together again. And of course, now the words are right. There's his autograph, by the way. Now the words are right, but the front is not. So it's actually completely misprinted. All interior pages are all backwards, pasted into the boards and everything here. So I found it really interesting. Let's look back at that autograph. It's beautiful, actually. Fills almost the whole page. Nice and black, nice bold marker. Can see it well against the background. Almost every letter. That's a great autograph. It's just backwards. So I was thinking back to that postage stamp with the upside down airplane. I think it's called the Inverted Jenny. It came out in 1918, and there was a pane of 100 that someone bought at the post office, and they were all inverted. And they took it home, and it became very, very, very valuable. And it's changed hands many times over the years, but each stamp now is worth about $1 million sold at auction. So I don't know, maybe this book is worth $1 million, probably not, but I think it's very rare. So just as comparison, I'll show you a normal book, which I also got. They had more than one copy. This is also signed, and of course you can see that the pages are the right way. There's another autograph. And if we look at the front, again, it's correct. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this one on eBay and see what happens, see what it fetches. I'm really curious because it's upside down. If anyone thinks it's more valuable or not, really curious. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. My eBay account is MS9, 3 characters. And I'll put the other one up as well. And I also have some other signed books that I got extras at my Barnes & Noble on that morning, which will probably be up there over the next few days or a week or so. So something to add quickly here. I just watched Jimmy Fallon read this book on the Barnes & Noble Facebook page. It's actually a really good story. But I noticed a very interesting proofreading error at the end. So if you go to the last page of the book, only 364 more sleeps till next year. Basically, the story is this little boy has 5 sleeps until Christmas, and then this represents Christmas Day. So this should actually be 365 more sleeps until next year, because it's in terms of the nights, not the days. It would be 364 days, but this is in terms of sleeps. So even in a leap year, this would then be 366. So it's not a leap year issue, it's just an issue with days versus nights. It's a very good problem, actually, for kids to learn in math that things are not always equal to the number you might first be thinking of. So take that extra second or two to think it through, for these slight difference, one-off types of problems that pop up. A similar one might be, say, how many numbers are there between 4 and 8? So you might subtract 4 from 8 and say 4. But nope, it's not the difference you want here. Think what the question's actually asking for. The answer is, of course, normally 5. And if you're being technically in between, exclusive versus inclusive, then it's only 3. But it's never 4. So it's good to have the kids learn these types of things. I actually tweeted just now, I tweeted Jimmy and the publisher. Maybe they can fix it in the second printing or something. But I thought that was really interesting. So 2 issues with the book. One, of course, this one's upside down, but this error is actually in all the books. It's not just the upside down book. Toodaloo.